Hey guys, and welcome back to Learn How to Dance, where you can find step-by-step tutorial of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, Fortnite dances, and other awesome dances. So, today we're going to do a dance tutorial on how to do the Twerk for Me TikTok dance. So, it's a song by KaMillion. And a big thanks to Megan and Nelly for creating this awesome dance. If you don't know who they are, go check out their stuff. I'll post their names somewhere here. Alright, so let's just dive right into it. I'm just going to start with the first 4 moves. Now, there are actually 2 different versions out there. The first one goes wah, 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 wah. The other one just goes whoop, 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 whoop. And this is the most popular one, so I'm just going to show you this one. And then at the end, if you're interested, I'm going to show you this one as well. Alright? Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. So, we want to start with the right goes down to the front, left down to the front, right goes behind, left goes behind. Alright, so let's just try it. We're gonna go right, left, back, right, left. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna try. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right, left, back, right, left again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right, left, back, right, left, and 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right, left, and right, left. Alright, the next thing we want to do is the figure 8. So we want to start with the right, bringing it up, dropping before we say down to our left, up, back to the right, and then we want to press the left, and we do the same, opposite here, right, up, back, left. Alright, so it goes and here, here, and here, here. Alright, let's just try that. We're going to go slow. 5, 6, 7, 8, and here, here, and 8, 8. Let's try that a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, and here, here, and here, here. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and here, here, and here, here. Alright guys, now let's practice from the tip to top. So we want to go wah, 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 and. Alright, so 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right, left, back, right, left, and figure 8, and left, here. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right, left, right, swing, and left, swing, and one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right, left, back, right, left, right, swing, and left, swing. And now feel free to practice more if you want to, but if you're ready to move on, let's move on. So right after swing and swing. And from here we want to jump up on one leg, so we want to go bring up your right knee. Alright? So I went from here, jumping on your left, bringing your right knee up. From here you want to bring it down, and then you want to do the same, jump, bring your right knee up. Notice how I'm also trying to turn to my left here. So when here, I'm going up, down, and up, down. Let's just try that, just to jump. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. Jump, up, and jump, up. Now, at the same time, you also want to hit your knee with your right arm. Whoop, and whoop, and. All right. Now, let's try with the jump. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. Jump, hit, and jump, hit. And one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We can jump, hit, and. Alright, the very last move is this part. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Now, the secret to, exaggerate the effect is to arch your back. Alright, so the more you arch, the better it's gonna look. Alright, so instead of doing this, you wanna do this. Alright? Alright guys, now let's try to do the whole thing from the tip to the top. So from the beginning, let's just recap here. We do right hit, right back, right swing, and left swing, and jump hit, and a wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Now, if you want to make it more interesting to look at, you can add this A with the hips. Yeah, so you're doing a kind of a bounce. Let me just show it from the side. So you're doing bounce and bounce and bounce and bounce. Yeah, just tiny bounces. And then you want to, do this thing with your hip where you go to the front, back to the front. You go A, A, A. Yeah, and you do this throughout the whole dance. So you go A, sorry, A, 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 and here, of course, nothing, and then this part. All right, time to practice. We're gonna go slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, back, right, swing, and left, swing, and jump, hit, and jump, hit, and wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Let's try that a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right front, right back, left back. Now swing, and swing, and hit, and hit, and wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. One last time, guys. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right, left, and right, swing, and left, swing, and jump, hit, and jump, hit, and wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. All right, guys, now you just need to practice it over and over again until you can do it fast, right? It goes super fast, so just a tip, if you want to be able to do it fast, just keep it small. You don't need to exaggerate your movements, right? Like that. You can just A, all right? A. Now, if you want to do the original version, you just need to change the first 4 moves, and that is the right goes on top, so you hit here to the front. Yeah, left is below here, and then you want to bring it back, and then switch. So now the left is on top, and right is below. All right, so we go right on top, left on top. From here, you just go bring them up, bring them down. And then from here, it's basically the same for the rest of the dance. All right, so let's try that. Whoop, whoop, up, down. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go here and up, down. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go hop, up, down. So that's it for this dance tutorial on how to do the twerk for me TikTok dance. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.